Hi everyone, I'm Vriti and today we are going to do a gentle yoga practice for stiff bodies. These poses are really good for your spine, your joints and tight muscles, basically your overall body. And you don't need flexibility to do this, you just need a pair of blocks, so you can use pillows, a strap or you can use a scarf and a wall nearby. So whenever you are ready, we will start. Alright, let's start by lying down. Bend your knees and keep your feet relaxed on the mat. Keep your hands relaxed, maybe on your belly or to the sides, whatever feels comfortable to you. And very gently, close your eyes. Take a moment here. Breathe in and breathe out. If your body feels tight or heavy today, that's completely okay. We will move very slowly. Take one more deep breath in and exhale it out completely. Now very gently, open your eyes and straighten your legs. Now lift your right leg up and use your strap around the foot. Now gently try to straighten the leg completely with your toes flexed. Just go to the point where you feel a gentle stretch. Don't force it. Take a few breaths here. This is more about releasing stiffness than stretching hard. Release the right leg gently and now switch the side. Lift your left leg, use a strap and try to straighten it. Keep breathing. Very gently release. Now bend your both knees. Keep them mat width apart. Your hands in T-shape with the palms facing down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and twist your legs to left. Look at your right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, other side. Keep doing this with your breath. Inhale to center. Exhale and twist. Let your shoulders relax. Let your spine soften. You know, twists are really helpful when the back feels tight. Relax and now slowly come up to sit. Bring the soles of your feet together and place blocks or the pillows under the thighs. Grab your ankles. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and now just start moving in small circles. Exhale as you come forward. Inhale as you move backward. Think of loosening the hips and not forcing them. Now, very gently switch the direction. And now gently relax. Now keep your right leg bent with your heel near the pelvis and stretch your left leg out. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, your left hand on your ankle or grab your foot and stretch fully to your left side. If this feels comfortable, you can try to grab your toes with your right hand too for a deeper stretch. Don't collapse your chest, just keep it open and feel the stretch along the side of the body. Keep reaching more, leaning more to your left side. And very gently come up and release. Now switch the side, your left leg bent and your right leg open. Inhale, exhale and lean to your right side this time. Maybe try to grab your toes. Very gently release and come up. Now come onto all fours into a tabletop position and place a block under your chest. Inhale, walk your hands forward. Exhale and let your chest melt down. Relax your neck, your forehead. This is puppy pose. Let's take few deep breaths here, relaxing your upper back completely. Very gently rise up and come to tabletop again. Now as you inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale and slide it under the left. If comfortable, stretch your left arm forward too and relax here. This really helps release all the shoulder and upper back stiffness. Keep breathing naturally. Bring your left hand back, right arm up as you inhale, exhale, and tabletop. Now switch the side, inhale, left arm up, exhale, thread it under the right. Stretch your right arm forward and release all the shoulder tightness. Right arm back, inhale, left arm up, exhale, and back to tabletop. Now very gently come to stand near a wall with your feet hip width apart and place your hands on the wall at the level of your belly. Now walk your feet slightly back. Feel the length in your spine. Try to create a straight line from the hands to the hips. No pressure, no pushing. Just hold it here. Relax and come back to the mat. Now step your feet wide with the toes pointing forward. Shift the weight on the right foot. Bend it. Keep your hands on your thigh. And let's hold it here. Keep your left leg straight. Your knees straight. And try to bend your right knee more and more. Keep breathing. Your legs might be feeling it. Release and come up to center. Now shift onto the left side. Bend your knee, hands resting on the thighs, and keep breathing. Your right leg straight and your feet grounded. And now gently come up. Release. And come down again onto the mat. Lie down on your back with your feet in butterfly. Soles together and knees falling apart. Place blocks under the thighs for support. Your hands resting on belly and close your eyes and breathe deeply here. Release. Bring your knees together. Keep your knees bent. Now cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Inhale, lift your left leg up Exhale, interlace your fingers behind the left thigh. Straighten your left leg and stretch your toes up and down in this position. Stretching your ankle up and down and releasing all the tension from there. Release and now switch the side. Your left ankle over the right thigh. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, interlace and straighten your right leg. Flex your toes up and down, keeping your right knee completely straight. And keep breathing. Very gently release. And now come against a wall. Bring your hips closer to the wall and your legs up the wall together. If you want, you can support your hips and your lower back with the blocks. Keep one block under the lower back and the other one under the hips. And rest your hips there on the blocks. Now open your arms with the palms facing up and slow breathing here. Let the body feel light. Allow yourself to relax here. Now very gently release and come back again to your mat for Shavasana. Lie down comfortably on your back. Let your feet fall open. Your arms relaxed beside your body with the palms facing up. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in and exhale completely. Feel your whole body melting into the mat. Release the stiffness from your legs. Soften your hips. Relax your belly. Relax your chest. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Smooth your forehead. With every exhale, allow your body to feel heavier, softer, and freer. You have done enough. Now just rest here for a moment. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your body and start moving your toes and fingers. Move your head side to side. Bring your legs together. Bring your hands together. Interlace your fingers and stretch them up, stretching your whole body. And when you're ready, gently bend your knees, turn to your right side, and come back to a seated position. Keep your hands relaxed, your spine tall, and slowly bring gentle awareness back to your breath. Now, using your right hand, close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale through the left. Close the left nostril. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close it. And exhale through the left. This is Anulom Vilom. Let's do this for a few rounds. Keeping your breath slow, smooth, and effortless. With every inhale, invite freshness. And with every exhale, release any remaining stiffness. Continue for a few more rounds. Calm your mind. Balance your energy. And soften your body. Now very gently release. Take one last deep breath in and exhale it out fully. Bring your hands to prayer. Start rubbing your palms. Gently cup them on your eyes. Slowly blink open your eyes, looking at your palms. Hands to prayer again and relax. That's it for today, guys. Stay consistent and do this flow whenever you feel tight or heavy again. And even if your body is feeling slightly better, that's enough. So thank you so much for practicing with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.